This model kit review is of the Spitfire, and it's the Mk.XIVc, and it's by Academy. It's a 1/48 scale model, and here you can see pictures of the finished model. And these are the D-Day stripes. And some more pictures here. Let's have a look inside. So first of all, looking at the pieces here, this is very well molded. I don't see any flashing or mold lines. Here's our instrument panel, and we have a lot of extra details. This is all very well molded. This is our control stick, our propellers, and these are the exhaust covers. We have lots of little pieces with details for the cockpit. It tells you it's going to be a good model. Here's our wheels, and here are the exhausts. Those still need to get drilled out though. Here are the other side of the wheels. Our wheel well covers. Here's our seat. And landing gear. And then we have radiator intakes here. Here's our propeller spinner. Lots of details there. So here we have the guns. So hopefully you can open up one of the panels. We'll have a look. Looks like actually these are probably the panels. We left open on the wings. Here are the cannons, and here's one of the bulkheads. We do have our stabilizer. Here are the wing tips, and you can do the stubby or the traditional, depending which one you want. And here are our wheels. We actually have some nice detail on that wheel well. It's nice to see a Spitfire model with that. Many models just leave them either completely empty or just a flat pan. These are all recessed panel lines and rivet lines. Lots of surface detail. This is very impressive. Here we have the fuselage. Also, lots and lots of surface detail, all recessed panel and rivet lines, very nicely molded. No flashing, no mold lines. That's a good quality model. Let's look at the inside. Actually, you can see, look at that, inside of the cockpit. Here is our canopy glass, also nicely molded. Here are our decals. We have a fair amount of decals here, nicely printed. And let's look at our instructions. Number one, where you start to put together the cockpit, and that goes inside the fuselage. Other side of the fuselage. That's all put together. Put together the nose with the exhausts, propellers then put together, and then the stabilizers put together, as well as the wheels and landing gear. Next is the radiator, and you can have that either open or closed. And then you have have some options there if you want to leave it open or closed. So you can see the guns. And then the fuselage is joined to the wingtips. And then we have the radiator air intakes, wheels are then put on, and canopy. Here we have the painting and decal guide. And then the parts listing. So all in all, this is a very impressive model. It's 1/48 scale. It's a smaller plane, a Spitfire, but there's a lot of detail in this model.